This video shows you how to make a wooden tic-tac-toe board out of some scrap timber. I'm using a bit of 3/4 inch pine. So I'm just creating a square. In this instance it's 21mm square, so I can divide that easily by 3. And then draw the grids and the centre points for each one of the pieces. I'm going to drill a hole for each one of the pieces to go in. So this is why I'm drawing up all these grids and the centre points. With that done, I just choose a Forstner bit that's a bit smaller than the segment. I'll use this to drill partially into each one of the segments. Now with the compass, I'm just going to measure something a bit smaller than this, and you'll see how I use it in a minute. I use this circle to scribe out 10 pieces. These are going to be my playing pieces. 5 noughts, 5 crosses. Yes, I realise I'm only showing 8 pieces, there should be 10. Now I'm choosing a smaller Forstner bit that I'll use to drill the hole in 5 of them. That will be the noughts. I draw this circle on 5 of the pieces, that are going to be the cross pieces. Then just use a felt pen to draw a cross. I'm ready to cut out the board, so I just use a bandsaw for this job. With the board cut out, I use the larger of the Forstner bits to drill into each one of the segments that will hold the playing piece. I'm just measuring a random amount that's not quite through the timber. Now changing over to the smaller Forstner bit, I can drill the noughts. For the crosses, I'm going to drill a hole right through the middle. And yes, don't be concerned that I've only got 8 there. I realised that I needed another 2 later on after I'd finished filming. Idiot that I am. Anyway, I'm drilling right through these. With that done, I'm using my scroll saw to then cut out the X. So I'm basically just leaving a gap around that black texture mark that I made to cut out an X-type shape. With that done, I can actually cut the pieces out. Now I'm just using an orbital sander to sand the top of the board to get rid of those pencil marks, and then hand sand the edges off the pieces. That's all done, I'm ready to play. A very simple little project, but one that is quite effective. Another little project to build for the grandkids when it's a rainy day outside.